Program number 3. Develop a menu-driven program in C for the following operations on stack of integers. So here we are going to implement a stack that can store integer elements. So various operations we are going to perform on stack. First one is pushing an element into the stack, push operation. Pop operation for removing the element from the stack, and checking the stack elements represents the palindrome, and stack overflow as well as stack underflow when we are going to specify the size for creation of stack. Once it reaches its initial capacity or initial size, then there is no space for adding the elements, then we can display the message stack overflow. While deletion of an element from the stack, there is no element in the stack to be deleted, then stack underflow situation message is going to be displayed to the user. And display the status of stack, how many elements are there in the stack, that should be displayed. Now the program is very simple. So here we are going to define, the variables S max. S is an integer array, max is the size we are going to take. So the size is 3. 3 elements we are going to store, or we can change this into 5, so that 5 elements are going to be stored. And here top, if the stack is empty, top is going to have the value -1. -1 indicates stack is empty. And push function, it is going to take the element, so parameter is 1. Pop, it is going to return the element which is deleted from the stack. Return type is integer. Palindrome, this function is going to check the stack elements represents palindrome or not. Display function is going to display all the elements of the stack. And the execution begins from the main function. So here we are going to use 2 variables. One is choice and second one is item. So here we are going to display the message to the user such that choice 1 for pushing an element to the stack, choice 2 for popping the element from the stack, choice 3 for palindrome, choice 4 for displaying the elements from the stack, choice 5 for exiting from the program execution. And the message is going to be displayed here. So every time we have to repeatedly print these messages to the user so that user can enter the input. So once the main message, that is enter your choice, is going to be displayed, and the input should be taken, that is choice ampersand choice. It is stored in the variable choice. Choice may be 1, choice may be 2, choice may be 3, choice may be 4 or 5. If none of the choices are matched, then default is going to be executed. Choice number 1, that is enter an element to be pushed. So the message is going to be displayed on the screen, and the element is going to be entered here is 5, or 1. 1 we can take the element that is going to be retrieved and stored in item variable. And push function, we are going to make a call here. Push function execution is going to take place here, and we are going to send the item. Item is going to be sent to this particular push operation, and control is transferred to push, and element is going to be retrieved here. So here top is equal to max -1. So max is 5 we have given. 5 minus 1 means 4. Array is going to have 0 to 4 here. So top value is going to point to, or it is equal to 4 means 0 to 4 means total 5 elements we are going to store. So if top value is going to match with 4, then stack overflow is going to take place. Control is going to be returned to the main. If top is not equal to max minus 1, top value should be incremented. Initially top is minus 1 and that should be changed to top plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 that equals to 0. Top value is going to be changed it as 0 and S of 0 is equal to item. Item we are sending 1. 1 is the item that should be inserted at S of 0th location. So this is what the push function is going to work. So push function is going to work and it is going to complete its execution for the first element. After this break exit from the switch, control will come to while and repeatedly we are going to display the messages. 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for palindrome, 4 for display and 5 for exit and enter your choice. The message is going to be displayed and ampersand choice. See here the execution of the program. So here we are all giving the input, enter your choice 1. So element to be inserted is 1. Enter your choice is 1. Element to be inserted is 2. Enter your choice 1. Element to be inserted is 2. Element, enter your choice 1. Element to be inserted is 2. Option number 4 for display. So now stack represents 1, 2, 2, 2. One more element we will add here 1. Enter your choice 1 and once again we are going to use here enter the element to be pushed is 1. Now just look into this 4 for display. Now 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. This is what the stack elements. What you are all seeing is the insertion. Here we discussed one condition stack overflow. Now once again I am going to give choice is 1. Element to be pushed is 1 I am going to give. Here we are getting the message stack overflow. Stack overflow we are getting why means because the size is 5 so we are inserting sixth element. So there is no space for inserting the sixth element. So stack overflow message is going to be displayed to the user. This is what the push operation how it works. And in a similar way pop. So I will minimize this window. Now we will look into the pop. So case enter your choice. Choice is 2. I'm entering. So choice is 2 means here case 2 item is equal to pop. So return type of pop is integer. So item deleted element is going to be copied into item. If item is not equal to minus 1 means so here if the element is not deleted it is going to return minus 1. The condition we are going to check here. So if item is not equal to minus 1 means it should be some element 1, 2, 3 like that. Then element popped is percentage d item. The element is going to be displayed to the user. So this is what we are going to use here. Case to pop. So pop means control will come to this particular pop function. So here int item top is equal to minus 1 we are checking. So stack underflow. If minus 1 is there means top is pointing to minus 1. There is no element to be deleted. Here this condition is going to return minus 1 because the function is going to return integer value. That's why here we are returning minus 1. If there is an element in the stack that should be deleted. So deletion is going to be done from the same end, that is from the top end. Insertion as well as deletion is going to take place from the same end. So item is equal to s of top. Top, whatever the top value where it is going to point the last inserted element, top value is going to be changed. So the top position s of so we added 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. So total 5 elements we added. So top value is going to be 4, 0 to 4. 4 is the top. So top element should be retrieved here item. Top is equal to top minus 1 after the deletion. So top position is going to be changed here and return item, whatever the item we have removed from the stack. That should be the item that should be returned to this case number 2. Item is 1 or 2 or 3. You will see how the elements are going to be removed here. So enter your choice. Choice is what? 2. 2 for deleting. So what is the element we have popped here? 1. So once again option number 2. Popped element is 2. Option number 2. Popped element is 2. Option number 2. Popped element is 2. Option number 2. Popped element is 1. Now option number 2. Stack underflow. Because stack is empty, there is no element to delete. Then stack underflow condition is also satisfied. Now display and palindrome are the third and fourth options we have to check. So how display and palindrome functions are going to be executed, that will be discussed. Once again we will go for 1 for option number 1. Element to be inserted is 1. Option number is 1. Pushed element is 1. Option number is 1. Pushed element is 2. Option number is 1. Pushed element is 2. Option number 1. Pushed element is 2. Option number 1. Pushed element is. So here 4. 4 for. Okay. There is a correction. 2. Option number 1. 2. Option number 1. 2. 1, 2, 2. Option number 1. So here we are having 1, 2, 2, 1. 4 elements we are going to take. So now when you reverse these elements, so from bottom to top, 1, 2, 2, 1. So from top to bottom, 1, 2, 2, 1. So both the elements are same. Then it represents palindrome. So we will check option number 3. So it is a palindrome. If it is not a palindrome, is how we are going to check it? We will go for option number 2, pop element. Now option number 3, in stack, the elements are 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. So this is not a palindrome. So both are not same. Then this is going to print it is not a palindrome. So option number 4. So 1, 2, 2. This is what the stack elements which are part of the given stack. So total 5 different operations we are going to execute. Now we will see the coding part of palindrome. So palindrome, how it works? Palindrome function is going to be called. So here the palindrome function is going to be called flag is equal to 1. We are going to initialize the flag value to 1. The stack contains R. Here we are going to print what are the contents of the stack and reverse of the stack. Both the things we are going to print here. Later we are going to reverse and check for whether it is a palindrome or not. Now stack elements are I is equal to top, I is greater than or equal to 0. Now here in this, we need to focus on the top. Top now it is, so you are all seeing here, top is going to point very first element when it is going to be added. So top is going to point to here. So first element is added 1. So top is going to point to this particular location. Now the index of this one is, so initially top value is what? When the stack is empty, top value is -1. Top is pointing to -1 when stack is empty. When very first element is added, then top position is going to be changed. That is top is equal to top plus 1. Now top plus 1 means top value is minus 1 and plus 1. That is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. When very first element is added to the stack. And later on, the top pointer is going to change. Top pointer is going to point to second element. Top is equal to top plus 1 means 0 plus 1. Now it is going to become 1. So here the index is 1 and the index of this one is 2. Index of this one is 3. Index of this one is 4. So total size is 5. So we are going to store 5 elements 0 to 4. Now top pointer, it is going to change its position. So 2, 3 and this is 4. Now top is now after adding 5 elements into the stack. Now top is going to point to this one. Top value is what? Top equal to 4. This is what after adding 5 elements into the stack. Now here we are going to deal with the programming. So here stack contains R. I is equal to top means top value is 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Condition is true. Go inside and print S of I. What is S of I? I is 4. Fourth location element is 1. As we have seen in the fourth location element is what? 1. 1 is the element that should be displayed here. After that, I is decremented from 4 to 3. 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Condition is true. S of 3, 2. Next element is 2. 2 is going to be printed. And after this, I value is decremented to 2. S of 2 is 2. I minus minus 2 to 1. S of 1. S of 0. In this way, all the location of the stack are going to be displayed. Reverse of the stack. Reverse of the stack means we can begin from 0. In the stack 0th location to up to less than or equal to top means 4th location. So reverse order we are going to print. I value is going to 0, 0 to 4 means. So from bottom to top we are going to print the elements. And here this code is very important. This code. Here in this, for I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to top by 2, I plus plus. I value is what? 0. I value is 0. I is less than or equal to top by 2. Top is what? 4. 4 by 2 is top by 2 equal to 4 by 2. That is equal to 2. Now, the condition end for the looping is it is going to begin from 0 and end with 2. 0 to 2. 0, 1, 2. 3 times the loop is going to be executed. So 0 to 2 means I plus plus we have to use. S of I is not is equal to S of top minus I. What is S of I here? This condition flag is equal to 0 indicates it is not a palindrome. Initially we have taken flag is equal to 1. 1 represents the palindrome. Flag is equal to 0 represent it is not a palindrome. Now S of I is not equal to S of top minus I. What is S of I here? S of 0. S of 0. S of top minus I. So here S of 0. S of 0, S of 0 is what? 1. S of 0 is equal to 1, and S of 4 minus I value is 0. S of 4 minus I andre that 4 minus 0 is 4 only. So 4, fourth location element is what? 1. What we are telling? S of 0 and S of 4, they are not same. Now here this and this both are same. Then there is no question for flag is equal to 0. Now this and this both are same. After this, control is coming back to I plus plus. I value is initially 0. Now I value is going to be changed. What is I value? Now I value is going to become I is equal to 1 because I plus plus. After the condition, I plus plus is going to be executed. Now 1 is less than or equal to top by 2, that is 2. Condition is true. S of I, S of 1. What is S of 1? S of 1 is 2. Is not equal to S of top minus I. 4 minus 2 minus I, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this and this, we are checking this and this are not same. S of 1 and S of 3 are not same. No, they are same. This and this, they are same. So there is no question of the condition is going to become true. After this, I is going to be changed from I value, that is I plus plus. I value is going to change, that is to 2. 2 is less than or equal to 2. Condition is true. Go inside. S of 2 not equal to S of 4 minus 2. I is 2. 4 minus 2 means S of 2, S of 2. So the same element. So S of 2, S of 2 both are same here. So you are telling S of 2 is not equal to S of 2. Condition is going to become false. After that I value is going to become 3. 3 is less than or equal to 2. Condition is going to become false. Now this condition has never become true because flag value is 1 only. If the flag value is 1, so we are checking the condition here. Flag is equal to 1 means it is a palindrome number. And there is one more case. It is not a palindrome. So for understanding point of view, here we will take, suppose here in place of this particular one, we are going to take the element as 2. When top value is top by 2 is 2, same, not a problem. So this element and this element are not same, the condition is going to be satisfied, then flag value is going to be changed here. 2 is not equal to 1, condition is going to be true, flag is changed. Break means exit from this particular for loop. After exiting from the for loop, flag value is going to become 0. If flag is equal to 1, no, flag value is 0, else it is not a palindrome. This is what the program for palindrome. And one more function is display. The number of elements present in a stack, that should be displayed here. So we are displaying number of elements here as we have seen. So option number 4 for display. So 1, 2, 2 are the elements that should be part of the stack. So that should be displayed here. So to display the elements, so first we have to check top is equal to minus 1 means there are no elements to be displayed. Stack is empty. The control is returned where this particular function is called. Otherwise, I is equal to top. So last location element, that is top position, should be initialized to I. S of I means I value may be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So in this way, it is going to print all the elements of the stack. By this, the program execution is completed.